Recording.
All right, folks, no commentary today. I'm just going for a rip on the Mercy, stretch the legs of the Bruteforce. Nice fast run. Going to just burn a little carbon out of the engine, as they say. Just a bit of a speed run from Hubbley Mill back to the beginning. Gonna stand up over the blind spot so you can see. All right, I'll shut up now. Always make time to wave. Got to lean into corners a little bit at this speed. I'm feeling my air pressure's down a little bit, so I better be careful in the corners. $82, $85, $87. I'm doing all right. Having fun. Cooling the engine off a little bit. I was going slow. Had the fan on for a while. Get that temperature down some while getting the temperature up some. It'll all even out. Whoa. Yeah, my tire pressure's down. I can feel it. Better be careful. Careful-ish. Do a little jump. I gotta say, this Bruteforce 750 hauls ass. It's getting a little skittish on the arse end of it because I'm only in two-wheel drive. All right, folks, that was a quick run. Just stretching her legs a little bit. There we go. Like, share, subscribe. There's always more to come.